Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer USDT from PayPal to Binance in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but it's still crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner looking to grow your portfolio or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have both a PayPal account and a Binance account set up. If you don't, sign up quickly on their respective websites. It's free and straightforward. Now, the key here is that you can't transfer USDT directly from PayPal since it doesn't support crypto wallets natively. Instead, we'll use an intermediary exchange that allows PayPal purchases. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and link it to a trusted crypto exchange like eToro or Coinbase, which support USDT buying with PayPal in 2025. Look for platforms that have updated their policies for seamless integrations. Step 2. On the exchange, use your PayPal balance to purchase USDT. Select USDT as your asset, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Keep an eye on any fees. Aim for exchanges with low costs to maximize your gains. Step 3. Once your USDT is in your exchange wallet, withdraw it to Binance. Copy your Binance USDT wallet address from the Binance app or website, then paste it into the withdrawal section of your exchange account. Step 4. Initiate the transfer and wait for confirmation. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Double-check everything to prevent errors, like sending to the wrong address. That could mean losing your funds forever. Finally, once it's done, verify the deposit in your Binance account and you're good to go. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication for security, and stay updated on crypto regulations in 2025. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.